A warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So let's start the topic. So today's topic is hemostasis. So, starting from the definition, it is defined as the arrest or the stoppage of bleeding, as mainly there are three stages of hemostasis. When a blood vessel is injured, the injury initiates a series of reactions resulting in hemostasis, and it occurs in three stages. First is vasoconstriction, second is platelet plug formation, and third is coagulation of blood or clot formation. So, starting from the first stage, that is vasoconstriction. Immediately after injury, the blood vessels constrict and decreases the loss of blood from damaged portion. Usually, the small arterioles and the small arteries constrict, and the vasoconstriction is purely a local phenomena. When the blood vessels are cut, the endothelium is damaged and the collagen is exposed. The platelets adheres to this collagen and get activated, and these activated platelets secretes serotonin or 5-HT serotonin and the other vasoconstrictor substances which cause constriction of the blood vessels. As the adherence of the platelets to the collagen is accelerated by a factor which is known as a von Willebrand factor, and this factor acts as a bridge between a specific glycoprotein present on the surface of platelet and collagen fibrils. So coming to the next stage, that is the platelet plug formation, and in which the platelets get adhered to the collagen of ruptured blood vessels and secrete ADP and TXA2, as ADP stands for adenosine diphosphate and TXA2 stands for thromboxane A2, as these two substances attract more and more platelets and activate them. All of these platelets aggregate together and form a loose temporarily platelet plug and temporary hemostatic plug, which closes the ruptured blood vessels and prevent the further blood loss. And this platelet aggregation is accelerated by a factor which is known as the platelet activating factor or PAF. So guys, hope so you all understand very well. And for more information, please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon.